Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan and today, Monday 15 January 2024, my trade setup directions for today will be long on the euro, the pound and the US dollar and short on the New Zealand, the Australian dollar and the yen. The first pick of the day is a potential long on the CAD yen, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The CAD is much stronger than the yen. You can see CAD on its own a little bit neutral, but way stronger than the yen, which is heavy bearish. So this is a way of getting short on the yen. I pick up this nice flag pattern coming in. Consolidation, ABC, correction maybe at the 61% level. Busy breaking out. So I'm looking for the break, the retest and a candle reversal, and unfortunately last night it did bounce off the 61% fib, so I think we've missed that train a bit. But if it gets back there, I am still interested in this Fibonacci level, definitely. But at this stage it looks more as if we're going to get the break, the retest and a candle reversal. And the pound CAD, we've got the open trade here. Now we trailed the stop loss from down here. We saw this morning star there last week, and then it came back all the way, giving you a chance at better levels to get into the trade. Then another morning star setup at the support level. So I trailed the stop loss slightly to that low. But guys, you can watch the live stream. It's running from approximately 10 o'clock in the morning until 8 at night, South African time. You can see the stops, the targets. You can see me entering the trades whenever they come up. And breaking up to a new high. I was hoping for a little bit more than what I see here. But pound's still way better than the CAD. So I'm still bullish. My stop loss is slightly smaller. I reduced my risk with about 10-15% of what it was. Now I'm just holding on tight. I don't see any new entries here. Maybe a break in the retest. We'll see later today or maybe tomorrow. But for now, the trade's open and I will hold on tight. Pound yen, pound up there, yen down there. One of the favorite ones to be long in. Nice trend. I'm waiting for the retracement back to this trade zone here between the 50 and 61%. So if it retraces back there today, I will have a look at it. If it retraces, it will also potentially make a flag, and then I'll do the breakout also. But for now, while making this video, that's my game plan. You can also, guys, if I change my mind or if I draw in additional lines or see anything additional, then I add it to this watch list on the live stream. You can see that. So it's always good to come back to the live stream, maybe every hour or every 2 hours, just to come and see what I'm doing and what have I changed and so forth. New Zealand yen, busy making a flat, but testing now here. Now, not one of my big favorites. I don't like them to be the same color, but still, I want to be short yen. And if this is the only option I'm going to get, I will take it. But now testing, so it's a way of getting short yen. New Zealand stronger than the yen, definitely. But I look here for some reversals here. Mainly 4 hours because it's a US holiday today and it's a Monday, so I'm not that keen taking too many trades on a Monday in any case. But nice flag pattern forming. I can start here maybe and then add there once the trade confirmed. Because of the New Zealand also red, but still stronger than the yen. Then the euro yen bouncing off the 61, unfortunately Friday night, so it's not a time I will take the trade. But euro much stronger than the yen, so still very keen being long here. At this stage I need a retracement back to the trade zone between 50 and 61%. This has now become sort of a structure. By the time it has retraced, then it will be a structure for me. So I draw it in for the rest of the day. So let's see, if it gets down there, I'll get interested. Then we will also get some form of a flat consolidation period. And we might just see a breakout trade then also. Brent oil on the daily charts. I'm not that keen on Brent oil, but seems like the trend wants to change. We've got this big triangle, we got the break. So I'm going to look for roughly a 4 hour, not a 1 hour, a 4 hour reversal on a retest here. And then I'll consider some longs on oil. Then the US Swiss, a little bit of a consolidation period here. So we got this trend consolidating with a little bit of a triangle forming here. If I can get a good solid breakout up there on a 4 hour close, then a retest and then some form of pattern reversal, I'll take some longs there. You see dollar way stronger than the Swiss. They are getting dangerously close. So it's also not one of my perfect setups, but I keep it here because there is a technical picture by the time I get an entry, I'll confirm then with the RS, as long as the trend also stays intact. Then my favorite trade idea for today is the potential long on the US yen. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now, the US yen has been my favorite setup for quite a long time. Unfortunately, the perfect candle pattern on a Friday night just before the market closes, not something I will trade. So unfortunately, I did not enter the trade there. However, we got the breakout here now. So on a retest, it's still the 50 to 61% level. So I like it that it found support there. So we got the break. If I get a retest, it will be the pattern retest, the falling wedge. It will also be a retest of the 50 to 61% level. So I think it's a double confirmation there. And a good strong reversal. US up there, yen down there. Pretty much the same as trading the pound yen. It's very strong, the dollar against the yen, the same as the pound against the yen. I need to be long up there and I need to be short down here. And this looks like the perfect setup for today. So I just need some dollar sell off here. US closed today, so let's hope the big bankers are not there buying too much of the dollar, allowing it to come down here. Yeah, some wishful thinking, but that's definitely my favorite setup for today. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.